10 tips to get more views on your YouTube channel. 1. Create high-quality content. Creating high-quality content is the most important aspect of having a successful YouTube channel. Ensure that your videos are engaging, informative, and relevant to your audience. Use storytelling techniques and create unique visuals to keep your viewers engaged. 2. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Use relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions to help people find your videos. Make sure your titles are descriptive and accurately reflect the content of your videos. Also, use your description to provide additional information and context to your viewers. 3. Use relevant tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your videos and make them more discoverable. Be specific and include tags that describe the topic of your video, as well as broader tags that are relevant to your channel's niche. 4. Promote your videos on social media. Promote your videos on your social media profiles and relevant online communities. Share your videos on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit, and LinkedIn to increase your reach and attract new viewers. 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach a wider audience and attract more views. You can collaborate by doing a guest video, hosting a joint live stream, or simply promoting each other's channels. 6. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions from your viewers to build engagement and loyalty. Make sure to be responsive and helpful, and consider featuring some of your viewers' comments in your videos. 7. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent your videos and encourage people to click on them. Use bright colors, clear text, and high-quality images to make your thumbnails stand out in a crowded YouTube feed. 8. Post regularly. Post new videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Consistency is key to building a loyal fan base, so make sure to establish a regular posting schedule that works for you. 9. Engage with your viewers and encourage them to share. Encourage your viewers to share your videos with their friends and family. Respond to their comments and questions, and create a community around your channel. This can help increase your reach and attract more views to your channel. 10. Analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track your performance and identify what's working and what's not. Look at metrics like watch time, engagement, and traffic sources to understand how your videos are performing. Use this information to adjust your strategy and improve your views over time. Keep experimenting with different techniques to see what resonates best with your audience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch more such videos.